Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install Codex CLI on Ubuntu operating system. So let's open the terminal first, and now here if I write this place node -v, then you can see node version 24 this already installed. npm -v, so here you can see npm or this already installed. Now thereafter here in Google search box right there Codex CLI, then go on this OpenAI developers. Let's click this, and then here you can see or this here or CLI setup. So we need to use this command. Let's open their terminal, and here we need to use this command npm I. Then here you need to give I for install -g for global OpenAI Codex. Let's press enter. So here in your system net should be there because this is doing some download as well as install. You can see added 2 packages in 2 minutes, and this all that's come there. If I write this place Codex --version. So here you can see Codex CLI, this version that install. To start the Codex, so here you need to write the Codex, then you can see this option that's come there. So sign in with chat GPT, sign in with device. So first option that's selected there, press enter. So here or finishing via browser. So if that come from the browser, that's okay. If that not come, then select this all, open hyperlink. So hyperlink, here you need to do the sign in. So you can do the sign in with OpenAI account, Google, Apple, Microsoft phone. So Google account that's going to select there. Here you need to give there or Google account. Now sign into Codex that's done. Thereafter here press enter to continue. Yes, continue, and here try new model. So this here you can see GPT-5 by default that's come there. Let's write something. I've given the hi. This is not supported chat GPT. So here let's give their model. So model, okay. So here you can get their select model efforts. So currently using 5.4 is the latest. So they're going to use their 5.2. Press enter, medium, and now let's give their high. 1 second, let's give their high, press enter. So now this is currently working. Here I'm getting this message, what do you want to work on? So let's write something, how to learn Java. So this question, now you can get this here, install this practical, this all. So this is how we can do the installation of Codex CLI on Ubuntu. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.